And affecting us right now is this Storm Team 5 weather alert. A little bit of a break out there right now. Is that right, Glenn?
Yeah, a little bit. We're still going to see a lot more activity as we continue through the afternoon. But for the moment, we're getting a little bit of a respite, and that has allowed the sun to peek through in a few spots, and we're starting to see things heat up a little more when it comes to temperatures, too. Meteorologist Katya Hall will talk about that in a moment. Let me show you the weather alert from now through this evening. Isolated rain still possible this morning. Then as we get into the afternoon and more specifically late afternoon and evening, the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms in the area, which is something we'll watch very closely. As we mentioned at the top of the half hour, wind gusts will be the highest threat for us today, the biggest threat. We could see some straight line wind damage. There is a risk for lightning, obviously. We have some thunderstorms around and some small hail, a lower risk for that, as well as a low risk for any tornadic activity, but still something we'll keep our eyes on whenever there's a threat for severe weather. Here's a quick look at the rainfall that moved offshore earlier this morning on Live Viper 5 Max, South Florida's most powerful radar. We've got quite a bit of rainfall coming in along the west coast of Florida, and we've got a tornado watch in effect for all these counties right here. What we're watching for is to see, as this line of showers and thunderstorms moves across the state, how it holds together and if it generates any showers and storms out ahead of the original line. Here's a look at what the Storm Prediction Center put out today. We mentioned that we have a slight risk for severe weather from northern Indian River County north and from northern Okeechobee County. And then down south of that, the rest of the area in a marginal risk, but that's still a risk. So here's the big storm system that's driving all of this weather. You may have seen national reports of all the severe weather caused by this storm system as it's moving across the country. And here's the cold front that extends down into the Gulf of Mexico that's driving that line of showers and storms out in the Gulf right now. As this begins to move across the state through the rest of the day, it's going to push showers and thunderstorms out ahead of it. That's why our chance for rain goes up as we get into the late afternoon and evening hours. But it does look like this front will clear the area by early tomorrow morning, leaving behind just a few showers maybe for the morning hours tomorrow and then clearing out in the afternoon. Behind that, high pressure builds in and paves the way for a gorgeous Saturday afternoon, couple of chilly nights ahead, and a very nice Easter. For more on that, here's meteorologist Katya Hall.
Yeah, we're expecting a really nice weekend, but we've got to get through Friday first. And starting off with your temperatures here, get a look at these temperatures along the coast. In the upper 70s right now, Okeechobee, you're already at 81 degrees. And by this afternoon, those temperatures are expected to heat right up. So we're expecting upper 80s this afternoon. And with that daytime heating, that's going to lift those parcels high in the atmosphere. And that's what could generate those thunderstorms throughout the day. Now, as that front passes, get a look at these temperatures dropping the low 80s by Saturday. Easter Sunday looking excellent, 78 degrees, then upper 70s as we head into next week. Today, 88 degrees. Again, that weather alert stays with us through this evening. Those winds are going to be picking up out of the southwest to 20 to 30 miles per hour throughout the day. Now, if you have any evening plans, it's going to get pretty messy on those roadways. Expect those thunderstorms to stick around through late this evening. Those temperatures in the mid to low 70s for this evening. If you have any dinner plans tonight, just be careful for that. Low 60s tonight, showers with storms, cool and breezy winds stay with us. And then as we head into the next few days into the weekend, it's looking pretty good. So again, 88 degrees, that cold front passing through later on this evening. And then as we head into the weekend, a 20% chance for rain on Saturday, 0% chance for rain into your Sunday. And get a look at next week. We're looking at upper 70s to low 80s. Rain chances will stay low as we head into early next week.